Welcome back to a new episode of Suffer Inside this channel. Alright, today.
I just got the box today.
We're good, Suffer.
My pals are Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Come on.
I wanna
Let's see what's in here. Let's check it out. Alright, let's unbox it.
That's right.
Do it.
Look at Daddy.
Alright, don't cut yourself. You can start here.
Right here. Okay.
There. Nice. Faster! Oh, come on. Okay, now.
My toy!
Alright, we got the power. The power devour T-REX. The power devour.
What's that movie? Why?
So you push the tongue, it chomps. Do it again. There we go. So there you have it. Oh wow, no wonder it's called Power Devour. I say that.
Where's the tongue?
Chomp and devour. There we go. Wow, there's a light. That's cool. Alright, we got a DEVOUR Spinosaurus now.
You got
Checking out. We got the lab lockdown. Now it's out.
Look at the size of this.
We also have the colossal T-Rex. Let's look at the colossal T-Rex. So there seems to be a button here as well. Double A battery. There you go. Try it again. Okay, let's see the mouth right now. There's the light. So you have to hold at least 2 seconds over here, Suffer it.
Right here?
There, see? No, let go now! Okay, let's go get colossal. Alright, so here's the colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex and also the colossal Mosasaurus. We're going to unbox the T-Rex. This one's been unboxed already, obviously. The box is gone. We don't know where it went. I think somebody threw it away, but let's check this brand new T-Rex we have. Pretty cool. So far, we don't have the Allosaurus from Chaos Theory. We can't find out anymore. But we do have the Carnotaurus, Giganotosaurus, and the Indoraptor. Yeah, so we got 5. And maybe we're gonna get the Spinosaurus as well one day if it comes out.
Yeah.
Even that new Antrosaraptor, the green Antrosaraptor.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it now.
I see the leg
Take this
inside.
off. How do we open this thing? Over here.
You start it.
We have to break it, huh?
You need to start in the top.
The top?
Yeah.
How do we unbox this thing?
Yeah.
We don't know how. Oh, right here.
What tape? I see that tape there. From 2. There's 2 here. I saw 2 there. Right here, 2.
Okay, we got the T-Rex out.
His leg's floating to me.
Yeah.
His leg's floating.
Alright, we got the legs out. Well, we got the tail. Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Yeah,
We got the manual here.
the menu. Yeah.
We got the other leg in. There we go. Oh, what? It came off.
Yeah, it's about to come off.
There you go.
Wow.
We got it.
Cool.
There you go. So, see the mouth? We never had the older T-Rex back then.
Yeah.
Dominion or the Jurassic from
Yeah.
Dino Rivals.
That long
Dino
neck.
Rival Tyrannosaurus, just the Rebirth. Colossal.
And double the
there's
racks
the
in blue.
Colossal.
Yeah, and double the racks in blue.
Oh, that's right, blue as well.
Yeah.
We have 2 colossal from Rebirth now. The rest of the colossals are downstairs. So, yep.
You want the leg.
Go. There we go with the colossal T-Rex now.
Someone put in the water well.
No, you don't want to put it in the water. It's electronic.
Yeah, you do this in the colossal.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. There's Sci-Fi playing. What? It is way bigger than the lab lockdown. Oh, over here, separate. This is compared.
Not the surrogate.
Yeah, so the lab lockdown is brown. The power DEVOUR is pretty much like a gray. There you go.